3 problems 83% parents of ICSE classes 9th 10th students face. Your kids' preparation is on point, but you feel they still lack perfection in answering exam questions? Exams are approaching and your kid wants to find ways of smart work than hard work? Is your kid often unsure about board pattern and typologies of questions? Oswaal ICSE question banks include answers of ICSE marking scheme for last 4 years and solved paper of 2019 examination to seek excellence in answering exam questions. Oswaal ICSE question banks come with mind maps and concept videos along with most likely questions generated by Oswaal's AI algorithm to facilitate simple and effective learning. Oswaal ICSE question banks contain board-solved specimen paper for 2020 exam and handwritten topper's answer sheet with board examiner's comments to enhance your kids' clarity on examination pattern and initiate proper planning. Oswaal question banks have been used by more than 19,000 parents in the last 1 year. Results of their kids have shown improvement by up to 41%. 78% kids have shown higher confidence in their exam preparation. Oswaal Books has helped more than 2.4 crore students in the past 10 years. It is recommended by 1.3 lakh teachers. To buy Oswaal question banks, click anywhere on this video. Here are some reviews students gave us on Amazon.in.